everyone and welcome back to our newly rebranded channel. It's now called the Affordable Design Podcast. So this is going to be where you're going to see everything of us from Dctuk talking about all things interior design and a few fun videos along the way, like this one. So this is a start of our brand new series that's going to be learn languages with us here at Dctuk. So we're kicking this series off with our lovely Noor, who is from Belgium. So today she's going to be learning us some French phrases. Are you ready, Noor?
Yeah.
So I'm so excited. Let's go. So how do we say hello, how are you?
You would say bonjour, comment vas-tu?
So that is bonjour, comment vas-tu? Got that? Good. Let's move on. So our next one is, where is the bathroom, please? Because we all need to know where the bathroom is, don't we?
Okay, so that would be où se trouvent les toilettes?
Can we say that again? Nice and slowly. Où
se
trouve
yeah.
les
toilettes.
Où se trouve
Les
toilettes. Où se trouve
les toilettes.
les toilettes. Okay,
Yeah.
That's really hard. I wasn't expecting that to be that hard. Okay, next one we're gonna go to some restaurants in France. It's a nice, lovely day, and well, you're from Belgium, but
Yeah.
we'll do France, Belgium. And I want a baguette because they're my favourite things to eat. So, can you tell me how much is this baguette?
Combien coûte cette baguette?
Combien coûte cette baguette? That's an easy one. So, combien coûte cette baguette? Okay, cool. We've got it. Let's move on. Okay, so again, we're going to stick with the restaurant vibe. So we're in a restaurant and we want to order some food. So to get the waiter's attention, can I order, please? What is that?
Okay. You would say puis-je passer la commande, s'il vous plaît?
Wow. What again?
Puis-je passer
la
commande?
Puis-je passer la commande?
S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît, and that's please.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go again.
Puis-je
passer la
commande? S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît. Puis-je passer la commande, s'il vous plaît? Yes, we got it. Okay, and our very last phrase, because we're going to do top 5 phrases, is we're just going to finish it off with, like, you're leaving the place, the shop, wherever, and you say, thank you, have a nice day.
Okay, so you would say merci, passez une bonne journée.
Merci, passez
une
bonne
journée.
So, merci, passez une bonne journée. Merci, passez. Okay. Merci, passez une bonne journée. Yes, we got it. So that's like 5. That's cool. Okay, done.
Yeah,
that was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, if you learned something, let us know in the comments. I think next week we are going to go to our Colombian Spanish queen, Vanessa. So she's going to teach us some Spanish, which is good. And she's not European Spanish either. She's Latin American.
Yes, yeah.
So it's going to be quite a cool one. But yeah, thank you so much, Noor.
No worries.
I
Pleasure.
hope we've learned it. I mean, I don't know whether I will remember that, but I'll certainly go and write them down. And we will see you guys next week when we learn Spanish. So thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on these videos to watch all of our Dctuk Affordable Design podcasts.